This video guide is dedicated to help you remove the adware that is called Markets, and you will find several processes of this adware in the task manager. The processes will be named Markets Tech Copyright 2022. And if you right-click on any of these processes and choose the option to open file location, this will lead you to Markets.exe executable. So anyway, Markets is the name of an advertising-supported program that we discovered after researching a special file that we downloaded through a deceptive resource. We classify Markets as adware because it displays multiple unwanted and very intrusive advertisements that are not related to the sites that you actually visit. So as I said, there may be several of such processes running in the task manager at the same time. This adware is spread through deceptive websites. And another problem is that you cannot find it mentioned anywhere legally. For instance, you may check the control panel and look at the list of the programs, but you will not find this Markets adware in the list. But still, you should get rid of it immediately. We recommend that you thoroughly research your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner, the reliable antivirus and anti-malware tool. It will help you to detect this Markets adware and to remove it effectively, and also to remove other threats from your device. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then begin thoroughly researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.